Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Chemistry Objective Past Question 26. Which of the following compounds is formed by the oxidation of ethanol? A. C2H4CO2H, B. C2H5CO2H, C. CH3OH, D. CH3CO2H. Now, first things first, ethanol belongs to the family of organic compounds known as alkanols. And alkanols are known for their functional group, which is OH. So they are known for having an OH functional group attached to them. And the chemical formula of ethanol is C2H5 OH. So you can see that ethanol has the functional group OH attached to it. Now, in the oxidation of ethanol reacts with a compound known as sodium dichromate. Sodium dichromate. It is the first stage in the oxidation of ethanol. So sodium dichromate reacting with ethanol to produce ethanol represents the first stage in the oxidation of ethanol. And ethanol undergoes further oxidation to give the product of the reaction, which is acetic acid. Now, acetic acid is also known as ethanoic acid and is represented by the formula CH3 COOH. And CH3COOH can also be written as CH3 CO2H. The reason is because here you have two oxygen atoms, so represented by CO2H. So that is the process of the oxidation of ethanol. You have ethanol first being oxidized by sodium dichromate, which has a formula of Na2 Cr2 O7. So sodium dichromate oxidizes ethanol to give you ethanol, which is then further oxidized to acetic acid. And acetic acid is also called known as ethanoic acid and represented by this formula CH3COOH, which can also be represented as CH2CO2H. So by going by that explanation, the answer is D, which is acetic acid or ethanoic acid. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and also for more past questions and answers.